Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change background on Capcut. So first open Capcut, then tap on New Project. Here you'll choose the video that you want to change background. So in my case, I'll choose this one in here. Alright, and then tap on the video. Scroll right. Then you'll see an option to remove background. Tap on that. This will remove the background of the video. As you can see in here, it's just in color black. Once you have successfully removed the background, tap the arrow on the left side of your screen, the lower left side, and then scroll left. Then you'll see in here canvas. Tap on canvas and then tap on background. Here you can choose different background that you want to use for your video. They have several backgrounds in here, but if you want to use your own background that's saved on your phone, then you'll see an option to tap the picture icon with the plus button in here, and then you can choose here whatever background you want under your photos. And that's how to change background on Capcut. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.